Hello everyone. Are you using external applications to hide files and folders from your Android phone? Do you know that you can hide files and folders in your Android phone without installing any applications? In this tutorial we will learn how to hide files and folders without having to download any external applications with a simple trick. In this tutorial we are learning to hide test folder from gallery. First open File Manager and locate the folder you want to hide from your gallery. Now rename the folder to .folder name. In this case we are renaming it to .test. Click on Conceal Hidden Files. Now open your gallery to see the folder has been hid from your device gallery. How to unhide the hidden folders. Now if you want the hidden files to appear again on the gallery, go to File Manager and enable the Open to show hidden files. Rename the folder and remove the dot from the folder's name. We are renaming it to Test. The folder appears on the gallery. In this way we can hide files and folders without using any external applications with a simple trick. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more.